Don't forget to subscribe if you don't subscribe. Well, hello, this is Little Boog's Bug Corner. If you haven't heard of me, most people haven't heard of me. So on to the main subject. This is Blizzard.
Blizzard.
We've had him for a year.
1 year update.
He used to be this small.
Now look at Blizzard.
He has big chunks belly. Big chunk. Big chunk.
Big chunky belly. 1 year old. He's a hypo.
He has shed on his face that should be coming off very soon.
Little shit.
Little shit.
Little shit on the face still. He's doing good. He's looking great. Hey there, Mr. Blizzard. Well, hello there.
Mr. Blizzard. Blizzard is a sweet boy and a good boy, but he really does have that chunk. Like right around there, he got that chunk.
He's on his cool side right now. It's what, 85 degrees, 49% humidity. Oh, finger out the way. Okay. They're like, what are you guys doing? Why is this camera all in my face? And then he has his food bowl, his cool side hide over here. He has, what is that, basil plant over there. He has some dry grass back here.
Yeah. Demolished grass.
That he smashes when he lays down. And he has his warm side hide over here. And over here, he has a snake plant. See over here on the hot side is, on the bottom down here is 93 degrees, 25% humidity.
And bugs like to eat this.
And up on his basking area, he's at 108. And like Lil Boog was saying, our cleanup crew is cleaning up too much. They're starting to eat the snake plant. I'm like, wow, what's really going on?
And also, any plant.
They're eating that plant too. And then we have the temperature gauge buried into the rock and the wood right under here. So the temperature gauge is literally, that's the temperature of that rock, this temperature up here. And up top he has a
Big heat light.
160 watt mega ray. And then
You should get one for your bearded dragon if you do have one or planning to get one.
Over here he has a Repisun 10.0, and I actually just ordered an Arcadia 12% with the dragon lamp from them. So we're gonna swap the Repisun for the Arcadia 12% on this side, and we're gonna stick with the Mega Ray on this side. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Sounds like, other than that, Blizzard's doing great. We're feeding, he's at the once every 3 days now. Every 3 days he gets a little something to eat. But he gets his veggies every day. Everything's been going pretty good. Getting big. Got anything else to close out with?
Hold on.